It looks okay. What's up, you guys? I hope you guys enjoyed that video. The Eagles are playing in the Super Bowl, so win or lose, Philadelphia is about to be crazy. I'll try and get some stuff for you if I go out, and yeah. Also, shout out to the guys who I met at Muni. One of them was actually one of the guys who said what's up to me way back in one of my other videos, like Super Bowl video, and it was really cool seeing you guys again. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me. It means a lot, and it was really nice meeting you guys. I was also given a pair of Clearweather skateboarding shoes. Here they are now. They got a suede patch over the whole shoe. I got them used from my friend, so if you guys want, I can give you guys a review on these later on. Just leave a comment if you want that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully with some post-Super Bowl clips. Alright, peace.